everyone! Did you know that you can access free ebooks and e-audiobooks from home with your library card? Today, I'll show you how to get started with this process using Libby, one of the library's most popular services. This brief tutorial will guide you through setting up Libby on your device so that you can download ebooks and e-audiobooks from home. All you need is a computer, tablet, or smartphone, an internet connection, and a link library card or e-card. What exactly is Libby? Libby is a service created by Overdrive that allows you to access ebooks and e-audiobooks for free with your library card. Content is available for download or streaming on your device. You can access Libby through the Libby app or on your preferred browser. Libby's sleek design, intuitive interface, and overall ease of use makes it a great choice for users of all ages, and especially beginners. So let's get started. The first step is to get Libby on your device. If you're using a tablet or smartphone, go to the app or Google Play Store on your device and search for Libby. I'm demonstrating here on an iPhone. Once selected, follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Libby to download to your device. Or if you'd like to use Libby on your computer, start by opening up your preferred browser. In the address bar at the top, type in libbyapp.com and hit enter. If you're a Windows 10 user, you also have the option to download the free Libby app from the Microsoft Store. Just go to Microsoft.com and search for Libby to get started. This chart provides step-by-step instructions for accessing Libby on your preferred device. Feel free to pause the video and follow the steps at your own pace before continuing. Now that you have Libby open on your device, you can start setting up your account. Libby will guide you through the setup process with a series of prompts. These should look the same no matter what device you use. The first prompt, shown here, asks if you have a library card. If you do not have a Clackamas County Link library card, you may be eligible for a free e-card that will grant you immediate access to online library resources, including Libby. To register for a free e-card, visit bit.ly/linkecard or look for the link in the description below this video. Once you have your library card information, click Yes to continue. This next prompt will give you the opportunity to sync your account or to look up your library. If you know you've used Libby on another device before, select Copy from my other device and follow the instructions to sync your account. If you've never logged into Libby before, go ahead and select the second option that says I'll search for a library. If you have your location services enabled, you could also choose the final option, and Libby will estimate your location itself. For our purposes here, I'll go ahead and select the second option to search for a library. If you selected I'll search for a library like I did, you'll see this prompt next. Enter your library, city, or zip code into the search bar to see results. You're looking for this one, titled Oregon Digital Library Consortium. To continue, go ahead and click anywhere on that maroon box. Now it's time to sign in to your Oregon Digital Library Consortium account. This is just another way to say your library account. While you do have the option to skip this step, you will have to return to it again before you're able to check out any materials later, so I recommend taking care of this now. Go ahead and select Choose a Location. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and you'll want to scroll down until you see Libraries in Clackamas County. Go ahead and tap right on that text. The next step is to sign in with your library card. Type your card number into the text box and click Next. Then enter your PIN and select Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll see the content displayed here. Your library card number will be visible at the top, and that number is considered the name of the card. If you'd like to rename the card, you have the option to do that here, but you don't have to. Renaming your card or giving it a nickname can be helpful for families and for anyone who's hoping to sync multiple library card numbers to the same account. Giving your card a different name can help distinguish it from others you may add to your account later. Again, this is totally optional. When you're finished here, go ahead and select Next. If you were able to sign in successfully, you should see the Library to Go landing page pictured here. The content here is always changing, so it's a great place to browse. From this landing page, you can search for content using the search bar at the top, view your holds and checkouts by selecting your shelf at the bottom, and view notifications, add more library cards, and receive help and support from Libby by selecting the Libby icon at the top right. That completes this tutorial on setting up your Libby account. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the Lake Oswego Library. Librarians are available by phone and email, and we look forward to helping you. Also look for future tutorial videos from the library on Libby and other online resources. Thank you for watching.